The flowers. What? 7, 6 seconds. 4, 3, 1, 2. 4 more. 2. Again. 4 more. Okay, Libon. What? 1 second. Okay, this okay.
Comment faire bien dire, même pas bien avant.
Non, this okay. Okay, guys. Let's go, guys. Dodo. Dodo.
Give me one gun team. Give me one
gun.
Guys.
Give me one team. Guys, let's go. 2. 7 hours. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Hey, mambo, mon dévié. La gueule, la belle chérie. Let's go, chat. Mambo, mon dévié. La gueule, Chat, let's go, chat.
Please. Click for the gun. Click. Yes, click. I am there. Click and the gun. Click. Oh my God. Thank you, Chouchou. Thank you, baby. Yes, Chouchou.
The globe. Dodo gars pas parler anglais non?
Bon gars anglais pas so.
M'pas de kon parler anglais Dodo.
D'accord anglais là on propose. Oui si bon anglais.
Ouais mais quand je anglais ça là va kon anglais globe là. Et dans un peu de dit.
The globe. Non, juste
globe.
Glove. Yes.
The globe.
The glove. Yeah.
Oui.
Ou bon anglais.
Gloves.
Si m'tap côté anglais m'tap gagnon.
T'as précis dit.
7 tu as te connais?
That's not 7-3.
Ou gen doit la de nous pas connaître.
Boy la gun me mouri. Ouais, tout le monde dit yo me dit qui la gun de mourir, la gun me mouri 7-3.
7-3?
Oui. 7-4. Même année, même ratio. Be careful. Yes, ends up.
Okay. 7-3.
Snake. Be careful because the next is you. You see the point? You see? You don't see? You are the PP thing. ou même qui pipiti là. Look at the point. You are the pipiting point.
You is the one.
10-6-4. You are the pipiting. You pipiti là, the small.
You is for the kid.
You are the lowest.
For the
teammate talk your shit.
Listen, uncle. Qui t'aime dire ça? You.
La belle rose, thank you so much. 20, thank you. Claire, thank you so much. Queen, Efficient, thank you. Delano, thank you. Stefan,
be careful, guys. Be careful. Let's go.
These people. One fucky. One fokolaka.
Thank you.
You are inside. Dodo. You are inside. Uladan, Namoniye. My people, Dodo, farine in the face. Comment the farine?
Floor
in your face in the capital.
Beautiful slime.
Thank you, my people. The
floor in the face.
In the face, in your jet.
Yeah, with the flash
and to the face.
Yeah,
that is Queen MVP.
Thank you, Queen MVP. Thank you, Asian.
Thank you again with the money. Thank you so much for the freaking money, guys. I really appreciate you.
I really appreciate you guys.
Thank you all so much. Everyone has been tapping the screen. Love.
Okay. Everybody be let's go.
Okay, problem crédit. Est-ce que c'est vrai?
Wait, how many games? Last game.
Last game. 10 games.
Est-ce que nous comprenons ça?
Are you crazy?
What was that?
Game. It's not the last. It's the three. About troisième game now.
No. One game.
Tricks. Let me tell you something. Why you like 2-1 when you're playing, bro?
You said 4 games, Neg.
No, I don't tell you 4 games.
I don't right now 10 games.
We gotta play 5 games.
Change because more influence. Say 7 more.
5 games. I tell you 5 games.
No, this is the 4 game. I can't hear the next
No. Listen.
Deuxième programme ici, même si troisième. That's this game gonna make a
6.
Yes.
Everybody people.
That's gonna be 3rd game.
Ça bien compliqué là. Who do you want to 3? Who did that 3 game? 3 game, 3e game.
Complication This left, 6 left.
What guys call what be Bible later for me. Apam delete 3.
What did I set myself in?
Who got the twist?
What did I set myself?
I don't know.
Fire.
Who be the third game? The third.
Oh yeah, third. Yeah,
Third.
Hey,
Really?
Who be to back up a man dem in the club now? Are you crazy?
10.
Remember that l'école moi accepter mon
Who be with the 1
Jesus
2
Christ.
1 2 1 2
That man
That's
right.
44.
Oh my
44, yes.
Well, so the même là.
People are so funny for real.
Oh my God. Neg has trapped me. He said, no, listen. He said 4 games. Multiply by 2.
Quick, guys.
Now salut tout le monde. Salutation.
Dodo shut up, man. Why women?
Let's go guys. They're double. Let's go guys. Let's go guys. Let's go. They're double.
We cannot be the lowest price.
Let's go.
Put them there. Fire everything.
Mambo mon devient la
Guys, they don't check passer là, m'a donné 5 000.
My people.
Let's go. People.
Let's go.
People, me and the guys, remember that? If you take one more team, when you have snipe for Pouri, exact competitor à team. Ouais, mais n'a comme na 18, hein?
Oh my God! Wow!
C'est bon, merci Colon, merci.
Thank you. You will learn. You learning now. You learning. You
learning, very learning. What
you want snipe Pouri team? Not them people no team. You want snipe
Pouri.
You know what you gonna do now? You gonna be ball like you put your head on the floor. You put your foot up.
Revenge sous streak là.
Okay, put them there.
Put my head where?
Put them there
on the floor.
Put them there. Put.
Kila get a put.
Must share my life.
Let's go.
Kole. En anglais pour dire ça.
Put, please. Thank you for everything.
994. Mais la monte.
Allez, let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Peut-être ma petite là yo
mais au devant gars ti moun si sniper pour lui prendre mon capone.
I just don't know what to tell you. We just need a sniper. You need someone to come here to snipe this one.
Monte. You will never. You can't snipe that. Your people is small. You can't snipe that. Kids. We tired people. They must stay in 2023.
The donata is done.
Okay, you know what you're gonna do now?
For the TikTok, Jakes.
Go take your go do your punishment.
Yeah.
Put your head in the floor.
There.
You is not for the TikTok.
Put your head in the floor.
Yeah. Your donata is done.
Pourquoi il n'est comme nous même qu'on a joué avec African Fall là?
Yeah, just upside down.
Oui, African Nido.
Yeah, go.
Même game pour tiens anglais sous moi.
Nous toute la anglais là.
Allez pas mieux. Vous ka get tout anglais sauf pas mieux.
D'abord dit pot put.
Guys, merci avec tout.
Ouais, Anglais, ça a tué mon. Depuis le bail qui neuf, même là, il faut que tu regardes mon dans les yeux, moi si ça mon petit mon oui.
Moi mon rive, mon regarde bien, m'a regarde bouchon, moi qui ça ressemble.
M'a regarde moi mon yo bagay mallette moi immigration m'a fouti.
What upside down. Your foot up and then your head down.
Oh, go to definition.
Finishing.
Yeah, take that game. You see? Yeah.
Thank you so much, baby.
My
people.
Yes, that's good. Oh, okay. Guys, let me tell you something. Listen, everybody, people.
Go to the wall.
The last game. Listen, the last game.
No, not that. After games are
Who do this game?
After that,
okay,
go to the wall. How long? 5 minutes?
5.
That's evil now.
No, you can come to take your speed, your times 2 or times 3, and then you go back in the wall.
Yes. Sortil.
La punition fois 3 et puis la tourner à faire punition encore.
Okay, that's good.
Ou pas anglais Dodo. I have more English with you.
Listen.
I have more English too.
You see
English paso.
You see me?
Don't discuting my English. Don't discuting my English because my English is very strong by you. I am best. I am big English. English. You don't understand. You understand small pidgin, small power. Take it easy, Dodo. Take it easy. You don't
Okay, everybody, people, give me on the fries.
Take it easy. Yo, wait. What happened with you? You don't need that punishment. I will have the punishment.
Okay.
Go take your speed.
Come in.
You can take your speed now.
Come in. Let me tourner vin pour.
Come in and definition. Come in.
Up and down.
And the speed challenge. Mais j'ai le get on.
6.
Get on sorti. Just let's go to the niveau. Let's go. Flowers. Everybody flowers. Everybody flowers. Talk.
Quick. Flies. Quick.
Talk the screen. Everybody people.
Quickly. Everybody people. Quickly. Quick.
Si tu Jean perdu, il va côté le prend là, il va comprendre ça capacité là. Let's go. Check. This is people is very human measure nous y this week. Quel va compter? Oh my God! Let's go. Profiting to double. The glove to double. Let's go people. The glove the double. Let's go mama. The glove the double. Wow.
Guys.
Man,
Let's go people. I am
done. Monte Kito Dodo.
I am done. I am done.
Julie, thank you, mama. I love you. Really? Thank you, Julie. Thank you so much, Belano, Don Kader, my love.
Go to the one.
Mega Bonnet, Gigi. Thank you, my people.
Guys,
everybody, people.
Wait, yeah. You stay like that. Shazo, welcome. Guys, study that. Supporter John Clerget et comme sous supporter un petit jeune qui a souffert en Haïti parce que John Clerget c'est un grand supporter Tonton Bicha, Tonton Bicha.
Veillez le net comme vous faites bien bien.
Sincèrement. Malgré que nous avons connexion et si on joue pour connexion supporter John Clerget pour moi supporter ou même qui besoin service Sky ou même qui veut tout à fait normal ou besoin acheter un Sky.
Guys, put me on the gun. I'm done.
You guys Snake dead.
Let's go, guys. Put me in the gun, please.
Speaking. T'allais, mais snake tombé ou même Nekrem non. Ou peut de parler l'autre parole. Nekrem.
Et son bagage ou recharge. Son
Snake. 12 difficult. You got une difficulté. Nekrem ne va attendre non. Snake tombé. Oh, everything is okay?
Snipe.
You okay?
Snipe.
My
You
God.
is done. You is done.
Very difficult. L'une difficulté. Fais pas.
You is the more difficult.
Very difficult.
Yeah, next time you can jump.
Guys,
Je le sorti. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Snap.
You have 2 layers.
Viens là toujours. Cliquez.
Let's go, guys. Maman.
John Messi. Cliquez. Oh, your donata is done. You is done.
Encore bal punition.
You viens.
Thank you, Colin. Encore bal punition.
Est-ce qu'on t'aime jouer en anglais pour toute punition? Bague anglais pour
Qu'est-ce qu'on a fait,
Mes amis, oh mon Dieu. Ok. You.
Hey, uncle, we are teammates now. We are good. We are friends.
Ça le dit là? Ok. Yes. You my friend. Toi, dis-le pour toi qui est farine maintenant, Jolly. Si tu es farine là, Kalia.
Ok.
Allez, toi.
Oui,
Tout flower qui est.
Comment listen. Twist. Go take twist spoon of flour.
Mosh.
The spoon.
Yeah.
Il t'aime en anglais.
Swallow. Go take twist spoon. Pourquoi ça anglais?
Est-ce qu'il y a punition nous?
You want me to swallow?
Okay.
Yeah.
You take 2 spoon flour, wap, and them off.
Swallow.
With flour. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, go right now. Go back after you accept. Mais alors, pas dire nous t'américain non même.
Qui est ça?
Non, non, 10 fois ça.
Bon, je suis ready avec un anglais, moi ready en créole, moi ready en espagnol dominicain.